Hi, today I am going to discuss about parallel stream and also understand using example. So first we know how why we can use the parallel stream. Parallel stream we can use when we can have large amount of data and I want to execute large amount of data. So now we can implement understand using implement stream. It should be integer parallel stream is mile is with parallel stream. Now here what we do here create one list and add 0 to 100 element. When we cannot use parallel stream then sequentially it is printed 0 to 100, 0 to 99. So it is not divided to more than one stream. Now when we use the parallel stream then its stream is converted in multiple stream and execute in parallelly. And one benefit also, each stream is execute execute more than one course. So that's benefit. Now using for each method, you can is print out item, add SOP, and item. Now when we run this program, then we can see that sequentially it is not printed because of each stream is divided in more than one stream. So this way we can implement parallel stream.